Hello everybody! Before you start watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and be sure to comment, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss new videos. Recently, Tesla semi-electric tractors have increasingly appeared on public roads. This time, they were able to fix the car while it was being transported on a trailer. Semi's debut, as you know, has been repeatedly postponed. The last start of serial production was postponed to 2023. However, very recently, Elon Musk exploded in one of the social networks with an unexpected thesis that Semi will begin to be produced this year. And, given the number of test electric locomotives on the streets, it looks like it will. Tesla already assembles electric tractors in Nevada, but it plans to start mass production in 2023. At the Giga Texas plant, it is reported that orders for the Tesla Semi reach several thousand. Major customers include UPS, Pepsi, Anheuser-Busch and Walmart, among others.